Kamakailan lamang ay nabalita nga ang pagpo-post ng bail ng Direk Daryl Yap dahil na rin sa warrant of arrest na inihain sa kanya dahil sa mga kaso na isinampa sa kanya ni Bossing Vic Soto. Anyway, mula sa naging artikulo ng Philippine News, controversial filmmaker Daryl Yap has posted bail amounting to 20,000 pesos following an arrest warrant issued against him for 2 counts of cyber libel. The case filed by veteran host actor Vic Soto stemmed from the teaser release of the film The Blank of Pepsi Paloma. Matatandaan na ang nasabi nga pong teaser ay tahasang binanggit ang buong pangalan ni Vic Soto, dahilan para ito ay magkaso. At nitong March 19, 2025, mula sa Muntinlupa Regional Trial Court or RTC Branch 203, mula sa presiding judge Nazim Mayra Kiambao, ay nag-issue na nga ng warrant of arrest against kay Direk Daryl Yap for alleged violation of Article 353 and 355 of the Revised Penal Code in relation to Public Act No. 10175. Ito ay kilala din as the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. However, the warrant was immediately lifted after nag-post ng bail ang nasabi nga pong batang direktor. According to court records, Yap paid a cash bond of 10,000 pesos each at dahil 2 counts nga ng cyber complaint ito, kaya naman 20,000 ang nasabi nga pong bail na inihain ni Direk Daryl Yap para siya ay makalaya pa rin habang ang kaso ay nililitis. The court ordered stated that after reviewing the evidence from the preliminary investigation, probable cause was found to issue the arrest warrant. The order also confirmed that Yap voluntarily appeared before the court and posted the required bail amount, securing his temporary release. With the arrest warrant lifted, Yap remains free while awaiting the legal proceedings. The arraignment and pre-trial conference for the case have been scheduled for March 26, 2025, where the legal themes of both Yap and Soto will meet once again in court. The hearing accused Daryl raised Spike Yap by Balingit having voluntarily appeared before this court and posted cash bond in the amount of 10,000 pesos under official receipt number 9801245 dated March 19, 2025 for his provisional liberty and finding the same to be sufficient and in accordance with law. The same is hereby approved. Well, mula naman sa naging update, mukhang kilala na nga daw nila Vic Soto at may kutob na ang mga ito kung sino ang tumulong o nagpondo ng pelikula ni Daryl Yap tungkol kay dating aktres at pumanaw na si Pepsi Paloma. Sa naging isang panayam, sa nasabi nga pong batikang host na si Vic Soto, ay mayroon na nga daw silang ideya kung sino nga daw ba ang nasa likod ng pelikulang ginawa ni Direktor Daryl Yap na tungkol nga sa buhay ng dating aktres na si Pepsi Paloma. Ngunit sinabi rin ni Vic Soto na hindi pa nga nila ito papangalanan dahil sa wala pa naman silang sapat na ebidensya. Well, nagsampa nga si Vic Soto ng kaso kay Direk Daryl Yap. At yan ang ating showbiz snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.